What's up, y'all, fellow YouTubers, boys and girls? It's your Roger here. So I'm doing a little thing. I was gonna upload this, show you guys my fleet of my vehicles. In 3, 2, 1. There's my 95 Jeep Cherokee 4.0 on 35s. And y'all know my 98 Chevy. There's the Jeep. That was my first vehicle, first Jeep. That's what started the fleet. This is what's the second one. And the other one is my dad's truck. Yep, two in my eyes, two best looking vehicles. I get ready to put the Jeep in the garage. Got to get some cleaning up to do. I got to redo a few things. It's going in there, getting cleaned up. I'm taking a few things off of it, putting new stuff on it. The 35s for right now are going to go on the Chevy, and I'm going to put the 33 1250s back on it for right now. But I do want to get tires put back on them rims. I love them rims on there. But yeah, there she is, y'all. There's the General Bandit. I gotta get the bird, put the Trans Am bird put back on the hood. And yep, there's my Chevy, the Dark Horse. So making this a short one because it's kind of hot out here. I'm drinking some good old sweet tea. And yeah, just needs a bath. But yeah.